What's up, Pocket Theory? It's your main man, Suds. I'm at Itoya in Ginza, Tokyo. We're about to go EDC shopping. Let's head inside, shall we? We got pens, a little red paper clip. Oh yeah, let's get cash. Deck of playing cards, let's fuck yeah. Wall of cards. Somebody's got a birthday, and this is the place to come get a card, y'all. Notebooks galore. Charms and keychains. Donuts. Stamps. Just like that, we're out. What's up, Pocket Theory? It's your boy, Suds. I'm at the Tokyo Tower EDC shopping for exclusive pens and pencils. Carry what you want.